Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Miss Nazlin, and I'm back again with an amazing new video for you my people. Road to 500 subscribers before my birthday, and yes, we are almost there. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you haven't already. Do this for your girl and enjoy today's video. It's an interesting one. Drop me or leave me a sweet comment as you take some tips from this video. So my people, I'm trying as much as possible to put subtitles for you to understand today's video because our apartment has a lot of noise and sticky issues and copyright claims. I'm trying to avoid that a lot. So bear with me, and yeah, I'm trying my best. So that is a community shopping haul that I did. I'll be doing my bunch shopping when I come back because I'm planning to travel very soon. So I didn't see the need of buying so many things. It and push for like some days before I come back from home and do a lot of shopping. I enjoyed my fries and chicken with some cold Coca-Cola. Manze, it really slapped. Can you all rate my dancing skills? See you all. So let's make some fruits to eat, and yeah, just relax afterwards. So that's my fruit salad, and it was a lot, and I decided to divide into two because at the moment I couldn't finish all of that, so nikeka ya baadaye akiba ya, and I mixed that with yogurt, as you can see. And at the moment I only had banana, watermelon, and some pears in the house, and that's what I went for. You can always make your fruit salad with anything you have at the moment. Yeah, you can mix any fruits of your choice, and I really enjoyed that. It really slapped as always. What I make slaps.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
And yes, we have come to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe, drop me a comment if at all you have enjoyed. And until on my next one, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.